So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Lyca mobile not registered on network, SIM, APN and manual network select. So why the Lyca not registered on network error happens? The Lyca not registered on network error usually occur due to SIM card issues, incorrect APN setting, manual network selection errors or temporary carrier signal problem that prevent the phone from connecting to the Lyca mobile network. It can also happen if the device fails to automatically detect the correct network operator or if network settings are outdated. Checking the SIM card, updating APN setting and selecting the network manually can help restore the connection. Fix 1 is restart your phone. Restarting your phone refreshes the network connection and help the device reconnect to the Lyca mobile network. If the temporary slot signal, press and hold the power button on your phone. Tap restart or reboot. Wait for the phone to turn back on and reconnect to the network. Check if the Lyca signal appear. Fix 2 is reinsert the SIM card. A loose or improperly placed SIM card can prevent your phone from detecting the Lyca network. Turn off your phone completely. Remove the SIM card tray using the SIM ejector tool. Take out the Lyca SIM card and gently clean it if needed. Insert the SIM card back properly and turn the phone on. Third fix is enable automatic service selection. If your phone cannot automatically detect the Lyca network, enabling automatic selection can reconnect it to the nearest available network. In Android, open setting on your phone, then tap mobile network or connections, select network operator, turn on automatically select network. In iOS, open the setting app on your iPhone, tap cellular or mobile data, select network selection, then turn on the automatic option. Wait a few seconds for the iPhone to search and connect to the available Lyca mobile network. Fourth fix is select Lyca mobile network manually. If automatic selection fails, manually selecting the Lyca network can force the device to register on the correct network. In Android, go to settings, then network and internet, then connections or mobile networks or SIM card and mobile networks. Tap network operator, turn off automatically select network. Wait while the phone scans for available networks. From the list of network, tap Lyca mobile to connect. In iOS, open the settings app on your iPhone, tap cellular or mobile data, select network selection, turn off the automatic option. Wait for the device to search for available networks. Tap Lyca mobile from the list to register on the network. Fifth fix is check and reset APN settings. Incorrect APN settings can prevent your phone from connecting properly to Lyca service. Open settings, tap mobile network, select access point names, check if the APN is Lyca mobile. If incorrect, tap result or default or add the correct Lyca APN. Sixth fix is turn airplane mode on and off. Toggling airplane mode refresh the network connection and help the phone reconnect to the carrier. Swipe down to open quick settings. Then turn on airplane mode. Wait for 30 seconds, then turn airplane mode off and check the signal. Seventh fix is reset network settings. Resetting network settings clears saved network configuration that might be causing the registration error. Open setting, go to system or general management, tap reset, select reset network settings, confirm the reset and restart your phone. Eighth fix is configure Lyca mobile APN settings. Incorrect APN settings may stop your device from connecting to Lyca services, causing network registration issue. Open settings, tap mobile network, select access point names, tap add to create a new APN. Enter the following Lyca mobile APN details. You can see Lyca mobile APN setting. Here are names, APN, username, password, MCC. Authentication type, APN protocol, then tap save. Select the Lyca mobile APN you created, restart the phone and check the network connection. In iOS, open the settings, then cellular or mobile data network, then cellular data section. Enter the following details APN. data.lycamobile.com, username this and password this. Leave the order field unchanged unless instructed by Lyca mobile. Go back to the previous screen and restart your iPhone. After restarting, check if the phone connects to the Lyca mobile network. Thank you.